we have to remember that we do not have a pandemic in the same stage as we were saying, in all parts of the country. So here, rates of community transmission right now are pretty low, I'd say. In places like Florida, they are pretty high. They have been pretty high for some time. They are hopefully slowing down, but we don't know that the sort of restrictions which have been put in place in Florida are going to be sufficient to actually cause the pandemic to start decreasing and actually to be shrinking there. Now, I might hope that that could be the case, but I don't know that that's going to be the case. So you do need to be very responsive to, local conditions. And that's one of the things which I think is extraordinarily important for leaders going forward, is to be looking very carefully at what is going on in the community where you are and being prepared to take decisive action to slow spread early on, because the last thing you want is what happened in the Northeast in the spring, which is you create a sort of tinderbox of transmission, which is concentrated among people who probably don't even really notice that they're infected and certainly don't have severe disease. And then that starts leaking into the vulnerable populations, starts infecting them, and you end up with a very large number of deaths.